Guangzhou Tsunami Industrial Equipment Company Limited was established in 2016 and is located in Guangzhou, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 12,000 square meters and has over 200 employees. We are specialized in portable fridges and medical refrigerators. Our company has rich experience in the electronic manufacturing industry. Our main products include portable fridges, battery-powered fridges, IoT medical fridges, etc. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Every plastic part of our car refrigerator is made of injection molding process, which determines the durability and reliability of our frozen car refrigerator. Our company is a professional enterprise in the automotive refrigerator industry with over 14 years. All your needs can be satisfied. Our foaming equipment use the high-quality German technology and a highly configured spray gun. Our foaming is superior in uniformity, which provides excellent heat preservation. In addition, we use environmentally friendly, non-polluting foam materials. Meanwhile, every operation and monitoring process are carried out by professional operator. Our company has MES Intelligent Acquisition System to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.